Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's episode, we'll be making sugar cookie fruit pizza. It's my last week of school. I know it's not for all schools, but I decided to say, why not kick off the summer with something fun? So to make our sugar cookie fruit pizza, we will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a half cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For our topping / frosting, I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, another 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of confectioners sugar, another teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we'll have our assorted fruit that will go on top of our fruit pizza. I have kiwi, blueberries, and strawberries with me. With that, let's start with our first step. To make our sugar cookie dough, we're going to use a very basic recipe. I have my wet ingredients and dry ingredients all here. Let's first combine our sugar and our butter. Now that our butter and sugar are creamed together, we're going to add in our egg. Now that we have our mixture all combined, it should end up kind of looking like this. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So I have my pan here for my sugar cookie dough, and you can use a circular pan. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. We have our sugar cookie into our pan. We're going to let this cook at 350 for 17 to 19 minutes. So then we will come back and we'll decorate it. Here is our finished sugar cookie crust out of the oven. We're going to start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese that's been warmed up to room temperature. Then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so now that we have our cream cheese and butter mixture come together, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to start adding in our confectioners sugar. Okay, so now our frosting should come together. We're going to start decorating. I have our frosting, our crust, and our toppings, which is our fruit. So now we have our frosting on. We're going to start decorating with some fruit. So there is our finished fruit pizza. So I want to thank you guys for joining me in another episode of Owen's Treats. I can't wait to eat this square pizza. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!